Hey guys, let us see how to make strawberry Sooji Halwa, also known as strawberry Sheera. Here are the ingredients used in the recipe. You can refer to the description list. Chop the strawberries into small pieces. Strawberries are in season, so make the best use of this fruit till it is available. Here are all the chopped strawberries. Make puree by adding all the strawberry pieces in a mixer jar. Heat a pan and add ghee. After ghee gets heated, add cashew nuts and raisins. After raisins puff and cashew nuts turn brownish, remove and keep it aside. In the same kadai, add rava and roast. Add 1 tablespoon ghee and mix. After rava gets roasted, add sugar. Mix well. Add hot water and mix. Rava will absorb water quickly, so mix well immediately. Add strawberry puree. Add fried cashew nuts and raisins. Add cardamom powder. Mix well. Keep the gas on low flame. See the beautiful color. After some time, Sooji Halwa will start leaving sides. Strawberry Sheera or Sooji Halwa with strawberry is ready. To serve, add a little Sheera in a small bowl. Invert on a plate. Garnish with mint leaves and strawberry slices. Tasty and yummy strawberry Sheera is ready. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.